The dollar index held just above 102, near a 6-month low, as China's 34% tariff on U.S. goods raised recession fears, despite strong U.S. employment data. This fueled expectations of more aggressive Fed rate cuts. The euro traded near $1.10, supported by dollar weakness and trade tensions, with markets pricing in a 90% chance of a 25 basis points ECB cut in April. The British pound fell below $1.29 on trade-related growth concerns, while the yen strengthened to 145 per dollar. The BOJ is still expected to raise rates. The Australian dollar dropped to 60 cents, with fears of global recession, and markets now expect 100 basis points of RBA rate cuts in 2025. Gold fell 2.5% to $3,020 per ounce, retreating from record highs as investors sold to cover losses elsewhere. Silver dropped below $30, down 12% for the week, hit by trade tensions and China's 34% tariff. Despite the pressure, COMEX gold inventories rose on supply concerns. Brent crude fell over 6.5% to below $66, its lowest since August 2021, after OPEC Plus added 411,000 barrels per day for May, amid rising trade tensions. Oil is set for a 10% weekly loss, the largest in 6 months. Bond yields fell as investors fled risk. U.S. 10-year Treasury yields dropped 6% to 3.97%, German yields to 2.57%, and Japanese 10-year yields plunged 23% to 1.17% after testing a 16-year high. Next week, key releases include the Fed minutes on Wednesday and U.S. CPI and PPI on Thursday. German inflation and UK GDP will be closely watched on Friday.